Our country is blessed with an abundance of mineral resources, some of which undiscovered. Many remain untapped. We believe that the conservation of our natural resources is a powerful means to secure the future of the next generations. As a responsible, right and principled mining company, we commit to safeguard the environment and be a partner in nation building. In the past, the mining operations of the Bulawan and Sibutad mine projects changed the natural landscape. Through the company's Environmental Protection and Enhancement Program, we have succeeded in transforming the industrial areas into rich and lush forests. The Bulawan project had a mine footprint of 147 hectares. Today, the landscape is covered by over 1 million trees that support a rich biodiversity. What was once a tailing storage facility is now a bird sanctuary for wild ducks and other waterfowls. The Environmental Rehabilitation Program did not only transform an industrial complex into a revitalized ecosystem, it also developed an alternative productive land use through agroforestry together with our partner communities. The mine decommissioning program ensured that community members are presented opportunities for their livelihood. Industrial and other open areas such as silk ponds were transformed to be agriculturally productive. Ponding only rainwater, the tailing storage facility also supports an aquaculture project. Open pits are now an expanse of forest that is teeming with wildlife. Our commitment to sound environmental management practices drove us to do beyond what was required of us. Similarly, our story was replicated in Sibutad. We believe that community partnership is the key to environmental conservation and social development. Through concerted effort and science-based interventions, we help restore nature to reach its potential and beauty. What used to be mining facilities many years ago is now a rich forest ecosystem. The former industrial areas is now an ecotourism site. Mining facilities are now cradled by lush forest vegetation. We were bound not only by the commitment we made, but also by a promise of opportunities. We help the surrounding communities also renew their chance at life after mine. We help encourage agroforestry through various land productivity efforts. Sibutad Project's ridge-to-reef environmental management approach is a testimony to responsible mining. Our efforts are at par with the world's best practices. As we continue to pursue excellence, we truly believe that there is life in right and principled mining. This is what we stand for. This is what we are about. This is what we do. We are Philex Mining Corporation.